1 minute. Hello. Shefali, raise your hand if I'm audible. Shefali, raise your hand. It was disconnected due to some technical problem. Am I audible? Write someone in the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Okay. Now I am I am going to explain. Sorry. You all have copies with you? Okay. If you do not have, then take the copies and close your books. And close your books. And close your books. Okay. I am going to give you some words. 10 words. Okay. And you have to write in your copy. Clear? Write the word essential. Write the word essential. Write the word essential with correct spelling. Amrit Raj, write the word in the copy. Essential. Ritvik Ranjan, write the word in the copy. Essential. Essential. Srishti Jha, write in the copy. Underground. 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 Activities. 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 Breath. 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 Surface. 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 Developed. 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 developed, developed, irrigation, 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 behavior, 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 mountains, 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 Brahmaputra, 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 hydroelectricity, 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 hydroelectricity. Yug Prakash, I am hydroelectricity, utility, 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 Chenab, 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 Kaveri, 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 surrounded, 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 okay, surrounded. So I have given you 15 words. I hope all of you have written it. Okay. Now I am going to write the word on this board with correct spelling. And I will also explain each word. If you have, what you have to do is, you have to Shivam Gandhi, my house is not clear. What is my house is not clear? It is looking clearly. Divyangana, it is not 13 words. 15 words I have given to you. 15, 1-5. Okay, now I will write the correct spelling of it. And honestly, you all will tell me how much you are doing the mistake. Okay, just Divyansh, now I will not repeat. I am going to write on this board. Okay. What you have to do, just you will, if you have, I am going to write it on the board and will explain what you will do. You will just, if you have written the correct spelling of it, you will tick the word. Okay. And you have done wrong, you will cut it, this line, and the correct, and you will write the correct spelling of it. Clear? आपको क्या करना है कि आपने जो स्पेलिंग लिखी है, आप वहां पे, अगर आपकी स्पेलिंग सही है, जो मैं लिखने जा रहा हूं, अगर वो सही होगी उस वर्ड की, तो आप उसको ऐसे टिक कर दोगे. अगर गलत लिखे होंगे तो ऐसे, है ना. और जब 15 वर्ड्स का मैं जो दिखा दूंगा, तो आप इस पूरा काउंट करना, आप कितना सही करते हो, कितना गलत करते हो. इट विल बी योर सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन, हाउ मच you are good in word power, because word power is very important for studying any subject, whether it is science, social science, Hindi or English. Okay, and it has been felt, and it is clearly it can be clearly seen that during online classes you all have not worked much about your word power. Okay, so see, first word was essential. Essential, ESSENTIAL, essential. Essential means necessary. Okay, essential means necessary. Clear? मतलब आवश्यक. Essential means, जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं ना, water is essential for our life, मतलब पानी जो है हमारे लिए आवश्यक है. Second one is underground. 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 Underground means जमीन के नीचे, जमीन के अंदर. From where we draw out water? From the under the ground. Okay. Activities. I think you are already familiar with this word. Activities means any type of action that we do. Okay, कोई भी जो काम हम लोग करते हैं, कोई भी जो क्रियाकलाप करते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं. 4, breath. BREATH, मतलब सांस लेना. 5, surface. 5 is surface, means कोई भी प्लेन पार्ट, है ना. जैसे ये एक सरफेस है ना, है ना, एक प्लेन सरफेस है, सतह. Six, Developed. Developed. Developed means DEVELOPED. Developed. Developed means विकसित. Develop. Okay. Irrigation. 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 मतलब planting, watering the plants. सिंचाई है ना. 8. Behavior. Behavior means our how we react to certain my word is not clear here. Develop, DEVELOPED. Irrigation, IRRIGATION. Irrigation. Behavior, BEHAVIOUR. BEHAVIOUR. See it. Not clear? Okay. Nine. It was mountains. Mountain means pahad. MOUNTAINS. 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 Brahmaputra. 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 BRAHMA Brahmaputra. Okay. Brahmaputra. 11. Hydroelectricity. Okay. What is Brahmaputra? It is a river. Okay. It is important. It is a important river of India. Okay. Hydroelectricity. HYDRO. Hydro. Electricity. ELECTRICITY. Hydroelectricity. What is hydroelectricity? Hydroelectricity means the electricity which is generated with the help of stored water in dams. Clear? 12. Utility. 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 Utility means उपयोगिता, usefulness. Thirteen. Chenab. Chenab. It is Chenab. 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 What is it? It is also a river. Okay. It is also a name of important river. 14. Kaveri. Kaveri. What is the meaning of it? What does it signify? It is also a name of a river. Fifteen. Surrounded. 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 So these were the 15 words. As I have told in the previous class, that you all have to read the lesson. Okay, you all have to read the lesson. I think many of you would have done. Harshvardhan, 14 is correct. Okay, Arohi, 6. Okay, you can write, you can send your score. And if Akansha, 15 by 15. Wow. 12. Amrit, 15 by 15. Wow. Divyangana, 15. Pariniti, 14. Okay. Okay. I think in online class, all becomes very intelligent. Okay. Vaishnavi, 15. Omega, 14. Okay. Shreyank, 11. Good. Pransi, 9. 9. Okay. 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 Arohi, 12. Pratim, 13. Good. Yes. Arav, 8. Only 8. However, it is good. That's written honestly. Good. Many are writing 15 by 15. Good. Now what you have to do? What you have to do it? Now you have to what you all have to do? You all, and it is the homework today. Today homework is you all have to write these words 7 times. Each word. You आप लोग इस सारे वर्ड एक वर्ड्स को 7 times लिखोगे. कितनी बार? 7 times. It will improve your writing. As good Rajnandani, 12. Good Harshit, 14. हर वर्ड को 7 times लिखना है ना? When we write words number of times, what happens that we become, you can say, our proficiency in word power becomes good. Okay? Clear? Now I am going to explain these all 15 words are, if You can write it correctly. जिनको भी लिखना है वो लिख लें. नहीं बेटा, केवल रॉन्ग स्पेलिंग नहीं, सारे को लिखिए, सारे को लिखिए. सारे को लिखना है बेटा. वर्ड्स को आप जितने बार लिखोगे बेटा उतना आपका इंप्रूवमेंट होगा. लिखने से भागो नहीं, नहीं तो वर्ड्स आपसे भागने लगेंगे और फिर आपको भगाने लगेंगे. After that, we will do short answer question, especially in the next class, because not too much time is left. So write it. Yes, Arohi, your all is correct. It is very good, but still you have to write. Write it. And in homework, you all have to write it 7 times. And I will say that still there are many words in this lesson, very important to all of you. You can I think it is more clear. Okay. You should read the lesson again and again. It will not only improve your language or word power, it will also help you in clearing the concept of the lesson. Can anyone tell me what which are the local sources of water? Fourth question का spelling बेटा, BREATH, breath. BREATH. आपको किसी वर्ड की स्पेलिंग देखने में गलत हो रही हो, आप चैट बॉक्स में वो नंबर डालो, 8 नंबर. ओके, 8 नंबर बिहेवियर, BEHAVIOUR, बिहेवियर. कोई भी स्पेलिंग अगर आपको देखने में दिक्कत हो रही हो, आप चैट बॉक्स में क्लियर करो. 15 नंबर, SURROUNDED, सराउंडेड. 13, CHENAB, चेनाब. 4, BREATH, ये मैंने बोल दिया है. 11 और 10, हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, HYDROELECTRICTY, sorry. 7 it is irrigation, IRRIGATION, irrigation. 10 number, Brahmaputra, BRAHMAPUTRA, Brahmaputra. 14, कावेरी, CAUVERY, कावेरी। Kaveri. Clear? So we were talking. What are the local 3 number activities? ACTIVITIES, activities. 15 number SURROUNDED, surrounded. 1 number Harsh Thakur. अभी आप 1 में ही हो. ESSENTIAL. 12 number utility, UTILITY, utility. 7 कावेरी का स्पेलिंग CAUVERY, और 7 नंबर में है इरिगेशन, IRRIGATION, इरिगेशन। 6 डेवलप्ड, DEVELOPED, डेवलप्ड। 13 में चेनाब, CHENAB, चेनाब। 8 और 10, 8 में है बिहेवियर, BEHAVIOUR, बिहेवियर, और 10 में है ब्रह्मपुत्रा। मैंने कई बार बोला BRAHMAPUTRA, ब्रह्मपुत्रा। 12 नंबर में यूटिलिटी है, ये भी मैं बोल चुका हूं, UTILITY। Fifteen surrounded, SURROUNDED, surrounded। 11 hydroelectricity, HYDROELECTRICITY। 6 नंबर में डेवलप्ड, DEVELOPED, मैं बोल चुका हूं। 7 में इरिगेशन, IRRIGATION, IRRIGATION। नहीं बेटा, कावेरी की स्पेलिंग CAUVERY होता है। परिणति 8 बिहेवियर, BEHAVIOUR, बिहेवियर। 1 नंबर में एसेंशियल है नारायणी, अभी आप 1 में ही है, ESSENTIAL। 13 कितना बार पूछोगे बेटा? चेनाब है, CHENAB। 8 नंबर में बिहेवियर, BEHAVIOUR, बिहेवियर।